Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well. So today I have come to visit Dharamsala. Is a town which is located in Indian state of Himachal Pradesh, served as the winter capital of the Himachal Pradesh state and the administrative headquarters of the Kangra district since 1855 in Himachal Pradesh. So Dharamsala is also surrounded by the cedar forest on the edge of the Himalayas, and this hillside city is home to the Dalai Lama and the Tibetan government in exile as a refugee. So the Tekchen Choling temple complex is a spiritual center for Tibetan Buddhism, while the Library of Tibetan Works and Archives houses the thousands of precious manuscripts here. So according to Hindu text, Durvasa Rishi had come here from Maharashtra to cool his right side and pointing to a slab a stone, and Durvasa Rishi also had done tapasya on this Sila, a stone slab, and that is why the city was called as a Dharamsila, but the British pronounce it as a Dharamsala. So Dharamsila means the Dharma rocks or the rocks of righteousness or the pillar of virtue. So Dharamsala and its surrounded areas were also found in the Hindu text scripture as Rigved and the Mahabharata, and there are mentions of the region by Panini in 4th century BC and the by Chinese traveler also Hin Sang during the reign of King Harshvardhan in 7th century AD. So the region was also subject to attack from the Mahmud of Ghazni in 1009 AD and Firoz Shah Tughlaq in 1360 AD. So in 1566, Mughal Emperor Akbar also captured the region of Dharamsala at that time, and then it was also captured by the Sikh chief Astain Jai Singh controlled the region and gave it to the Sansar Chand of the Katoch dynasty, and then Lieutenant Rajput prince in 1785. So Gorkhas also invaded and captured the region in 1806 before being defeated by Maharaja Ranjit Singh. And in 1809, Ranjit Singh also annexed the region into the Sikh Empire. And then after that, the East India Company also captured the region following first Sikh Anglo War of 1846 at that time. So let's see, this is the view of the Dharamsala city which is visible from the here. Now I am going to visit towards the Dalai Lama temple in McLeodganj, which is 5 kilometers away from the here, which I am trekking the way. So it is very wonderful place where I am going to visit, and even I don't have a much more word that how can I explain in my single words, but I am trying to explain very well. We can see the places is totally forest, surrounded by the forest, waterfalls is also there, and very greeny places. Once again, thank you so much. Dhanyavad.